Could you tell us your name, please?
My name is Kris Sykes.
And Kris, why did you come to us here?
I initially came after I had an episode of COVID, and it dramatically affected my digestive system and my energy level, and I really felt very sick and very depleted for maybe 5-6 weeks. And after going to traditional medicine, I was not getting better.
And you were diagnosed with ulcerative colitis, right?
I had ulcerative colitis before I got the COVID, yes, and I had been being treated by a gastro doctor.
Were you having any success?
The ulcerative colitis prior to COVID was under control.
COVID is known to cause autoimmune overreactions.
Well, I would say that was an understatement. That I was.
So you were having bleeding and pain and
inflammation in my entire internal system, vaginally, bowels, stomach, just totally inflamed, uncomfortable, felt like I was on fire.
And your energy was obviously pretty low with all that too. I think you were having sleep issues, all sorts of stuff, right?
Have been a very athletic and high energy person my whole life. I'm a yoga teacher. And I've been a dancer, a tennis player, and at this point, after that episode, I could barely get off the couch.
Yeah, you were a wreck when you came in.
Absolute wreck.
So we've been putting you through our functional medicine program. We've been doing some acupuncture with you, and it's been a couple months now, right? How are you feeling now?
I am so pleased and happy to say how wonderful I am feeling. I am surprised, delightfully surprised, relieved beyond belief, and grateful of how much better I feel.
We're grateful to be able to help. So the bowel movements are back to normal now? No more colitis, no issues like that?
No bloating. The diet that you put me on was nutritionally helped me a great deal, and it eliminated a lot of triggers. That's the way I would describe it. And I dropped about 9 pounds.
Cool, great.
9 pounds of bloat and gas and inflammation, not like skinny kind of thing, but just discomfort.
So now you're back to doing yoga every day?
Every day I'm on the mat, and happily.
How's your sleep and energy?
My energy is back, maybe even more so than it before.
Okay.
The COVID.
And solid bowel movements, completely
solid
normal?
Bowel movements every day.
No more burning, no pain?
No burning.
No bloating?
Nothing.
That's amazing. And before you, I guess the doctors had tried a bunch of medications with you. How did that work out?
Well, that was the big thing that, like I said, I went to traditional doctors and medicine first because that's the way we're kind of programmed.
Sure, we should. If you have an emergency, you go to your doctor and see what they can help with.
And I did not have success. I was recommended many types of antibiotics. Mm-hmm. When that didn't work, they gave me side effects. They gave me medications for reflux, which I never had in the first place.
So you got reflux and you got side effects from the medications.
Correct.
And they didn't even work. They didn't even resolve your issues.
And then when that was manifesting the way it was, I was recommended to go to a heart doctor. And I thought to myself, a heart doctor? Yeah. What? So my heart doctor is the one that stopped the brakes. And he said, this is all nonsense. There's nothing wrong with your heart. Stop all of this. And I did. And I was very fortunate to be able to be led to you.
Okay, well, we're so glad to have been able to help. Thank you so much for sharing your story. I hope this helps other people that are kind of on the fence of whether they should try something natural or not. But
I 1,000% believe in this. I 1,000% believe that the body can self-heal.
That's what we're designed for. We were made that way.
And it just needs someone to guide the ship. That's how I feel.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for sharing.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.